The first thing that a first-time homeschooling parent needs to look for are supplies. It's probably one of the first things that a curious parent would ask. All you need to remember if you are looking for supplies is that the internet is very large, and most likely, you will find resources there. Search engines are especially useful. All you'll need to do is type homeschool supplies into the search bar and voila, instant resources. The next question is, where can you get ideas on what to teach? If you are homeschooling your child, chances are you don't want to employ the normal school-type classes. Homeschooling can bring out the creativity in both the child and the parent. As a parent, the first idea bank that you should look at would be your own experiences, how a certain object or event taught you a certain lesson while you were growing up. There is a big chance that certain situation or object can be found or reenacted in your own home, and who best to teach it than you? Aside from your memory bank, you can also get ideas from several organizations dedicated to supporting homeschoolers. Camps and scouts may have materials that you can buy even if you're not a member. You can also make use of old publications, newspapers and magazines as textbooks for your child. Take their favorite story and make it into a lesson. For a greater learning experience, you can take your child to the library. The library will be one of the biggest resources for both you and your child. Remember, natural learning is accepted in homeschooling, and supplies for natural learning can be found all around the house. The chair, the bath, even various flowers in the garden can be used as supplies. If you want, you can recreate the atmosphere that children's shows create on television. Using normal items, you can teach your children math, science, English, reading, almost everything. Just focus on your child's interests. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.